Vespa UK. Happy 2022. So we're in the new year now. So new year, new problems, of course, with Vespa. So today we're doing a couple of things. As you can tell, it's raining. The weather's really bad today. It doesn't matter because what we have here is a gazebo.
It is super easy to assemble. Just put the top cover on the frame and pull the frame outwards. Then pull to extend 4 metal legs until you hear them click. All you have to do now is attach 4 sidewalls. They're all attachable by a Velcro, so it's very easy. Inside you have metal bars above, which is very useful. You can hang heaters and lights on the very strong and sturdy frame. And that's pretty much it, folks. There you have it. You have yourself a very beautiful, weatherproof gazebo from a very trusted company called Bulhawk.
Yes, that's right. We purchased ourselves a gazebo. It will stay nice and warm. We can also put lighting in there. Let's see what we can find inside the gazebo. Some expert mechanic, Matt.
Morning.
It doesn't sound too right today.
No, just getting over COVID.
He's getting over COVID.
This is brilliant. A very good idea of Mr. Lemmy.
If you want to get a gazebo just like this for yourself, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. They sell very good quality gazebos, just like this one. Very sturdy, very easy to assemble and super easy to disassemble as well, so you can do it in a matter of minutes. You see, I have a USB port on my scooter, just here, so you can charge your phone or whatever on the go. What I think it's been happening. What's been happening, Matt?
Somebody's wired it to a permanent live. Because the bike's been stood a few weeks, it's flattened the battery.
Oh dear, I have a flat battery.
So what we're going to do is put a key-operated USB cable fitted today.
Right. Don't know what that is, but we're gonna fix it so it's not permanently on. It's gonna be on only when the ignition is on. So let mechanic do the job and let me just watch.
This is the USB cable. Fits into the rear of the USB, what is fitted in the glove box on 14 onwards Vespa GTS. You need to remove cover and then you will have the USB. Right? This was the problem. These wires directly from the battery, permanent live.
Right.
So it has killed the battery. On the battery here,
Yes.
are 2 cables. Undo one at a time.
Right.
To remove this wire, we need some pliers, because these probably won't pull through. We'll snip that connector off. We'll snip that connector off. But, you know, just keep all your wiring intact normally.
You just pulled the whole thing out.
There you go. 1 USB permanent live, which should never be fitted to a bike.
Right. Now the scooter's not gonna start at all.
These are the changeover model from the 13 plate onwards. It's absolutely full of wiring inside.
Right.
So you have no chance of getting your hand in to get to the back of the USB in the glove box. So all you do, in here, you'll see 1 screw.
Right.
That holds the fuse. That holds the fuse box in the glove box. Take the screw out. And then this panel here, out it comes. On the back here, you will see the plug. You take the new cable with 2 plugs. Connect one and the other one.
2.
Right.
And that will stop.
Stop the battery draining. What, 2? Right.
There you have
What
it.
we need to do,
Oh, more.
you get the cable back through. So up to there, to where USB is. Right. Make sure you got your hole lined up. Screw back in. T25 torque, which most Vespa bits are nowadays.
Vespa doesn't want you messing with the Vespas.
So
They want you to take it to their expert mechanics, so you pay thousands of pounds and you don't do it at home. But having an expert mechanic here with us, of course, do it yourself.
red to permanent, red to live, black to negative,
And screws back on.
and screw your whatever leg shield cover back in.
Well done, mechanic Matt.
Okay.
So now we're gonna test it. We're gonna plug the cable in with this phone and see if it's charging when the ignition is on and not charging when the ignition is off. The light is on, so we know it's on. And
There we go.
it's charging. All right.
Turn it off.
Turn it off.
Right. Put the phone in.
No charge.
No permanent live now. So job done. No more flat batteries.
Sorted. Expert mechanic did it once again. It works the way it's supposed to work.
Good.
If you want exactly the same USB cable, we're gonna put the link in the description below, of course. Just hit the link and it'll direct you straight to where you can purchase the cable. One of our good friends, Simon Danks, sells them. Is very trusted.
Thanks.
Danks? I said Danks. Simon Danks, and I didn't say Banks. Bye for now.